Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Nueva Ecija para sa aming first stop, which is the Pantabangan Lake. So samahan nyo kami sa aming north trip ngayong summer. Our itinerary list are Pantabangan Lake of Nueva Ecija, Sabang Beach of Baler, Aurora, side trip sa Ampere Beach ng Tipaculao, and last, the Mountain Province Loop. So dito nga ay malapit na tayo sa Pantabangan Lake. Pero bago doon ay madadaanan muna natin ang napakagandang Highland Valley Villas and Hotel. So tignan natin guys, napakaganda nito. Dito nga pala to sa Purok 1, West Poblacion, Pantabangan. Bale, bungad lang pala to ng spot na pupuntahan natin. So dito nga ay merong environmental charge na 30 pesos at parking lot naman na 20 pesos. So dito nga ay napasabak na sa ADB sa medyo mabatong daan. So tara, akit tayo sa taas. Let's now roam the sky. So dito nga ay lumipat kami sa pinaka view deck nitong lugar para i-check at madaanan ng tulay papuntang view deck. Makalipas nga ang isa't kalahating oras ay nagready na kami para sa aming second spot. Pero kain muna tayo guys at gutom na kami. Tara. After lunch ay bumiyahin na rin kami agad. Dito nga ay may nadaan na kaming tulay. Tara, magpalipad tayo dito. Dito nga ay nadaanan namin ang statue ni Aurora. So tara, pa-picture tayo sa kanya. Habang binabaybay namin ang papuntang Baler ay nadaanan namin tong nakitid na kalsadang to na bigayan lang talaga ang pagdaan. Dito nga ay resume driving tayo at malapit na rin naman. Ito na siya guys, welcome to Baler. Napakasariwa ng hangin dito. Finally ay nandito na rin kami. Nakarating na kami sa Sabang Beach ng Baler, Aurora. So nag-enjoy yung mga tao dito sa napakagandang beach. Marami na rin mga hotels dito kung gusto nyo mag-stay dito ng overnight para mas lalo yung ma-enjoy ang pagpunta nyo dito. Sabang Beach, Baler is the renowned birthplace of Philippine surfing. It is a premier destination for beginner to intermediate surfers. So kung nagbabala kayong mag-north ride ngayong summer, ay isa to sa pinaka the best na marirecommend ko na puntahan ninyo. Popular din ito for early morning jogging, strolling, and watching sunrises. It's time to move guys. Pupunta kami ngayon or magsa-side trip kami ngayon papunta sa Ampere Beach ng Dipakulaw, Aurora. Isa sa mga nakakapagpawala ng pagod sa aming mga riders ay pag nakakakita kami ng mga ganitong lugar guys. Talaga namang nakakamangha at nakakawala ng pagod. Tara at silipin natin ang aerial view dito sa lugar na ito. Unlike your typical beach that's filled with sand, this beach is filled with solid rocks. Hindi ordinaryo mga bato ang makikita natin dito, kundi mga buhay na bato. Kinabukasan na ay maaga kami umalis upang mapuntahan namin ang Banawe, Mountain Province at Benguet. Dito nga ay touchdown na sa Banawe. At welcome naman tayo agad ni Nanay, so shoutout sa iyo madam. Tara at silipin naman natin ang view ng mga rice terraces dito. Let's go!
Gotta stay locked in Goggins. Gotta ball out like Rodman. Straight to the top, I'm all in. Ordinary's like a toxin. I don't wanna be like Robin. I just wanna leave no option. Fuck caution, I ain't gonna be common. I got the confidence, like I'm on this shit, like I'm the baddest bitch in the club. I'm here for dominance, I'm being honest, that's what I want. I'll never give up, I want the whole place sold out. My name in every mouth. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my, say my, say my, say my name. Say my, say my, say my motherfucking name. Say my, say my, say my. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my, say my, say my, say my name. Say my, say my, say my motherfucking name. Say my, say my, say my. You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name.
Driven by fire, driven by fear, never get tired, no I'm still here. Felt in the cracks, now I'm shifting gears. 10 years into my moments here, waiting my turn, now I'm hot in demand. Slept on a kid, but I had bigger plans. Stayed low key, but I still hit drive. Give me one shot and I'm coming alive. Names on the left, they can taste it. Gunning for the top, no limitations. From the basement, no hesitation. Flipping on my L's from straight motivation. Ain't no quitter, I'm built for the grind. Pressure makes time, so I'm gonna shine. One more shot, yeah, one more time. Driven affection, we locked in our primes. Lace on my gloves, been fighting for years. Faced all my demons, I'm faced all my fears. Took every hit as I look in the mirror, my vision's alive and the mission is clear. Say my name, say it loud. Every scar, I wear them proud. Every word coming out my mouth has got me here where I'm standing now. Eyes on the prize, don't blink, don't break. Move with a purpose, don't be fake. No plan B, only got a plan A. When he built like me, there's only one way. Straight to the top, oh gas, no brakes. Yeah, straight to the top, kids no gotta stay.
You know I'm after this shit till the world say my motherfucking name. Say my, say my, say my, say my name. Say my, say my, say my motherfucking name. Yo, I just gotta hit it one time. Let's go! Better hit the gas for a minute, no cap, no limit. I attack till I finish, I attract and I get it. Got my cash all liquid, never pass my limit. Too fast when I'm spitting, read it back, now they get it on. Flipping that switch as I'm hitting these bars like a gift. I spit like I'm sipping gold bars. So these kids, no kidding, I've been winning this and getting my best life dinner while I'm hitting on a mission. Ooh, spicy, I know they like me, but I got a wifey. She be real nice to me, no one works like me. Got a different mindset, my rate is pricey. Got a different psyche, ooh, lyrics are icy. Living life nicely, very precisely. Living divinely, manifest wisely. All I know is that I've been living for the sightseeing. Been around the world for a visit. First class last ticket. Man, I'm in it, man, I'm winning. I don't have no limit. If I want it, then I get it. If she want it, then she get it. I ain't never done finished, I'm a giver. I've been giving first place. I've been winning 6 shots, head spinning, but I still keep ripping and I still keep hitting 2 weights. I'm splitting all in, I'm risking it all. Yeah, I don't ever fall. Yeah, but if I do, I get back up, stand tall. Yeah, I want it all. Yeah, a good life, I don't think small. Yeah, I'ma be big one day. See me taking off runway, my name up in lights someday. Looking at a crowd that loves me. Yeah, I came here to play. I'm lucid, I'm not losing. This life is one I'm choosing. I don't stop, I keep moving. Just watch me as I prove it. Oh, I'm telling you I never let go. When I'm in a fight, put on a show. I create the life I want now. And no, I never back down.
Vlog yan ha. Tama mo pre. Itang ilan, nanunungkit lang ano. Nung doon sa...
Nalaglag na yung ano. Naku, wala pa ang gloves.
Ah. Doon pa nahulog sa may tae.
Ay, puta.